So here we have a new streaming application, new for 2024. The application has lots of live TV content, particularly lots of sports content is included. Now, the application also has free movies, free TV shows, all bundled in a really nice interface. Doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. Works great on your Firesticks, Android TVs, and the application doesn't have any adverts. So all of this great content across all of your devices, absolutely free and even ad-free. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started.
If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you.
So here we can see the new application, Stir, the new free TV, has more than 100,000 downloads. We can see this application is for Android devices, watch over 100 plus channels, including entertainment, live music, breaking news, sports, movies, documentaries, and much, much more. And we can see this was updated on February the 19th, 2024. Now, I've never reviewed this application before on my channel, so let's give it a spin, let's give it a whirl, and let's see if it's actually worthwhile installing. So I'm doing my demonstration on my 3rd generation Fire TV Cube, but you can follow this process on any other Amazon device, your Fire Sticks, other Fire TV Cubes, or any other Android TV device. Let's open up the application. Now the application has a really nice, clean and simple interface. As you can see, when you start the application, you're taken to the home page, whereas a very similar Netflix-like layout. We can see we have the editor picks here, some different content. Here we have a selection of the live TV channels. Then we have the top 10 movies, top 10 series. Then you got a large section of sports live TV, animation movies, comedy, sports, documentary, action. All your favorite genres are in here. Now if I go to the left, we can see we have sections for movies, TV shows, and live. Let's start with movies. This will now filter out the content and show you the movies only. Here, for example, we can see this documentary. Let's click on that. I can now click on play. And you can see, guys, in a couple of seconds, we are taken straight into that movie. And I'm not seeing any adverts whilst using this application. And we are taken straight in there. I can forward that a bit. And that's working great. Let's back out of that. So lots of different movies are in here. You've got horror, music, westerns. Let's go back to the left. Let's go to the TV shows. We can see we also have categories on the top. So you've got spotlight section, you've got categories, then you've got all TV shows. Let's go to categories. Let's say I'm only interested in sports. I can click on that. And this then filters out the content and shows me the sports related content only. So let's try this one here. All action sports world. I can click on play and we are straight into that broadcast again without any of those interruptions. That's working great. Well, I can see subtitles are working as well. Let's go back. Let's go to live. Now this section is actually really nicely made where we can click on all channels on the bottom right. I can now see a list of channels on the right and I can now navigate through them. Now, if I'm looking for a particular category, I can go to the top of the list and say I'm only interested, for example, in sports. Click on that. And I can now see all of those sports related channels here. Let's try Extreme Plus. Click on that. Give that a second and we are straight into that Extreme Plus channel. That's working great. Let's press select again. I can now press a down arrow. I can now see the list again. Let's try sports first. Just to show you that it's not just one channel, one episode, one TV show, as this is an official licensed application. All of the content is working, all of the channels are working, and everything is working absolutely fine. Now also when you're inside a channel, you can also press the down on the remote and this will automatically take you to the next channel, giving it a more cable TV like experience. Here we are. So this is the Adventure Sports TV. Press down again and we're now on the EQ television network. That's working great. Now you can also add channels into your favorite. So whilst you're on a channel, if I click on the heart icon here on the bottom left, I can click on that. That's now been added. Let's do another channel. Let's add in the Poker Tour. That's also been added. Let's just do the Extreme Plus channel. That's 3. So now when I go back to the list, in all channels, we can see here on the top, I've actually got a section for favorites, and I can now see those 3 channels. So an easy way for you to navigate, find the channels that you're interested in, add them into your favorites, and you can then very quickly access them from the dedicated favorites menu. So overall, guys, the Star application, I would say, is not bad. It does have, quite a few movies and TV shows, not a massive list, but still some variety of content. The live TV section is better, particularly with those sports channels, if you're interested in that. But overall, as a completely free, completely official application, I think it's definitely worthwhile checking out. Now, to get this application on all of your devices, you can press the home button. You can go to search. Let's now type in the word STIR. Let's type that in. And you have the Stir TV app here. Click on that. There it is. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this in your application store, or it says application not found, that means for whatever reason it's not available to your particular country. But what you can always do is go directly to my website, go to the tutorials page. The latest tutorial in the list or near the top will be how you can get the Stir application on all of your devices. So give that a go. Let me know what you think. And just before you go, guys, right now for the next 2 weeks, there is a very, very special offer for a superb price of just $2.75 per month. So really at that price point, to get total protection, keep yourself safe online, get maximum privacy, nobody can track you, your ISP can't see what you're doing, you can download content, you can stream content, you can take advantage of this new advanced threat protection. To get all of that at under $3 a month, I definitely think this special offer is worthwhile checking out. It is only there for the next 2 weeks. Using my link does help support my channel and my work, so many thanks if you want to do that. Have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.